all the viewers that how many students they are watching to my video. So in this video actually I'm trying to give you a knowledge about that education, and I am trying to give you a knowledge about that actually how to take or how to receive a good education and how to take a good education. The thing is that that nowadays the problem is that how to choose the career. So this is the biggest problem that all the students they are actually facing. So whenever they are taking the admission, this is the biggest challenge. And nowadays what happens that most of the students actually they have been trapped by their surroundings, and they have also been trapped out by their parents. And particularly when they have been trapped out by their parents, now it is the final decision for the students. They have to take that they have to finalize that whenever they will take that admission. So different fields are there, whether the students they are actually getting confusion how to take that admission into that, whether it is science, whether it is arts, or whether it is the technical lines. So all the students they are thinking that so nowadays to pursue in the technical line, it is the best and it is the foremost best and the that the first choice by the student. But that the matter of fact is that in which field you are, or in which field you have that ability, please take that admission. I am not saying that don't take admission into the that the private colleges, don't take that admission into the government colleges, don't take that admission into the that the technical education, right? It is not. You just have to think about, once you have to think that you have to go about your career, you have to choose about your career. And it is not that the surrounding atmosphere, it is not that your parents they will decide. Okay, so what we have to do, that is actually depends upon your ability, your skill. So now it is a fact that in Odisha what problem that we are facing, that in Odisha a lot of problems that is actually going on in the mind of both the parents and also the students. The number one is that where to go and how to get that admission, okay, whether it is art, science or commerce, because lakhs of students they have already been passed out, and here the result is 97, I think. So you just choose a college or you just choose a business school where they actually really they are giving the education, or really they are giving training to you. So you just have to choose that, and which one is actually right, which one is perfect, you just go visit and talk to the directors and also talk to their teachers. So after that you have to decide. Okay, so abruptly you can't you don't have to take that decision. Okay, so this is the biggest challenge and this is the biggest problem, right? Yeah, number one. Number two is that that Odisha students they have been trapped by the books always. This is the dogma, the blind beliefs that whenever we are reading the books, or a book lover can be a very good teacher, a book lover can be a very good man in future. It is not that. Okay, the problem is here that we just believe upon that. We become very theoretical. We don't want to become practical. So okay, whenever we start thinking practical way, so that means what, we face a lot of problem. So these are actually the problems that we ever faced in Odisha particularly, because in government sector we don't have any kind of job opportunity, or vast amount of job opportunities are not there. In private sector, it is only the private sector that is giving the job opportunity to all the students, lakhs of the student in Odisha. So this is the problem. And so my dear students, you just have to choose according to my opinion. And lastly I am saying that you have to subscribe my channel, and you have to like, and if you have a comments, then you can share that comments, and you can also pass this video and also share this video. After all, I am not the boss. Okay, I am not the owner, I am not the boss, and I am also not the just I don't want to trap you, I don't want to I don't want to confuse you, right? It is your career, it is your talent that you have to utilize, and you have to once you have to utilize, and you will get that success. So success, you just have to success doesn't mean that reading that science. Success doesn't mean that reading arts. It is what success means, striving hard, striving a lot, then after you will get a success. So thank you all, and you just if you like my video, you just subscribe my channel and also like all this video. Thank you.